Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Macroeconomics is easy when you see the patterns. We are looking at how a short-run increase in real output fits into the business cycle today. First, we identify that an increase in aggregate demand shifts the curve to the right. This movement naturally leads to a higher level of real output in the short-run period. In macroeconomic theory, these fluctuations in real output and demand are not permanent shifts. Instead, they represent the standard ups and downs that every modern economy experiences over several years. This short-run increase represents an expansionary phase. Since that is part of the business cycle, option E is the correct answer.
Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid the rush by watching signs. Always trust the given data and check steps.